already starting to come clean. All right, YouTube, back at it again with another video. I know y'all probably seen by the thumbnail, it's gonna be a little bit about trying to clean some chrome in the Boxchevy. But I know y'all, I don't know if y'all had any problems like this with, chrome. I think that's kind of like lime and calcium, like kind of build up over the year. Because a lot of those old cars, they either leak sometimes, and throughout the car it just hold moisture, and it's pretty rough. So I'm gonna try to get this cleaned up, and this is right here some CLR. I got it from like Dollar General. I mean, it's pretty, nice size bottle. It ain't a big one, but I'm gonna see what this do, and let's go ahead and get into it. I got it rinsed off, and two, I think it would be best if you use hot water to try to help clean up any leftover debris out of it. But I went ahead and got some fresh clean water, and I'm just soaking it in there for a little bit, and it's pretty hot, so I think that's gonna help it a lot. But once you clean it pretty good, let's see how it looks. This is what you're gonna have. So if you can remember how it looked before I put it in there, it's nothing like that now. I'm pretty proud of myself. Good. I didn't even think that it would be able to come clean like that. But I started to try to hit it with the grinder one time to just see how it would work, but I didn't hit it too much. But it came pretty clean. So, there you go. Just like new, man. It's like from the factory. And the inside came out pretty good too. It ain't gonna be seen like that, but it's a good thing that it did get clean. So if you decide to take it down one day, if you want to change out a bulb, you won't be messing with nothing too dirty or anything like that. So y'all let me know what y'all think, and it looks real good. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Really comment on it. If you got any questions about it, let me know, and I can pretty much help you, because we all in this thing to learn. I'm really proud of all my subscribers and the people who comment. It makes me feel a whole lot good about what I'm doing. You know, some people commenting and saying nothing but positive things and good stuff, man. It makes me keep going. So here you go. Like, share, subscribe, and we out. Peace.